Hi there, guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes,
okay, guys. Today's video, we're just here to address the elephant in the room, guys.
Yeah.
I think there's an elephant in the room that we need to address.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. We are not biased or anything favoring or anything. We might be here in South Africa, but we will just bring the news as they are.
We are not paid.
Not paid by anyone. Not looking for any sponsors. There are sponsors that came into our email and we turned them down because they are not associated with our channel. Yeah, they are. But we're not going to reveal who are those sponsors. But guys, elephant in the room, guys. That's what we're here to address. We just want to make it clear about the Fed coin.
Yeah, guys.
The Fed coin, guys. Many people, I think, they don't really know about the Fed coin.
Yeah.
This is not financial advice. We're just having a talk on the internet, guys. We're not against or trying to bring anyone down or anything.
It's our talk, our assuming or our talk.
We're just like thinking out of the box. That's what we are here for. And that's why we said we're addressing
this elephant.
Hey, this elephant doesn't want to be. This elephant in the room, guys. Okay.
Big five.
Yeah, it's part of the big five. So, guys, about the Fed coin, guys. It was us and other channel that came in and addressed the CBDCs, trying to wake everybody up about the CBDCs, guys. Trying to really dissect and really expose and really bring out what are the CBDCs and the World Economic Forum and what they said, what is their plan and what they said in their website. Unfortunately, they want to use the CBDCs. So with the CBDCs, that's what they said. So them saying that they want to use the CBDCs, and we came out onto our platform. It's us and other channel. We came out, we made people aware of what are these CBDCs they are talking about. And China was one of them. And they implemented it.
Yes,
they are CBDC. And they had a name attached to it. I forgot what the name is. Yuan. Yes. A yuan, guys.
I think something
yes,
like
yuan digital currency.
Like something like that.
So the minute we expose the CBDCs, so they said that they will implement digital currencies but give it a different name. Meanwhile, that CBDC, the digital currency with a different name, it's a actual CBDC. It's just that they don't want to tell the people because we came out on the platforms, we came out on YouTube and we exposed them, the CBDCs, and we exposed what the CBDCs are here. What are their intentions? What are they here for? So now they plan that they will come out with different names.
Like in our South Africa country, we think it's pay sharp.
We don't even think. Because we received, I think, on our app, that we need to register for pay sharp. And we just laughed our ass off. Because we know that pay sharp is just a name that is like trying to make it look like it's not a CBDC. Meanwhile, it is a CBDC.
Different app.
It's just a different name stipulated to a CBDC for a certain country. South Africa has PayShap. PayShap is a CBDC because it's a digital currency. So people don't understand if they want to listen to the government or what. But we're just having a talk, guys. We're not against anyone. We just want to point it out as it is. Just talk out of the box. State it as you can see it, because that is how we can see it.
Yeah, how do you see it? This, yeah.
Just comment below, guys. Just comment below. How do you see it? Is Pay Sharp or FedNow or yuan?
Yuan and euro
And the naira. Is it a CBDC or just a new currency for a country? Just comment below, because this thing is starting to confuse a lot of people. People are really getting confused, and that is the main purpose. It's just for people to get confused,
and then they can register and continue as normal, because it's just a normal other app
because
that you used to.
Because the CBDCs, we quickly came out onto our platform and exposed it as how it is. And another thing that we want to bring out to the community, doesn't it look odd? Such
They'd
mention this on our on the comment below. Doesn't it look odd to anyone that XRP all of a sudden it doesn't become a security? For years they
2020
exactly SEC 2019 or 2020
they filed
the complaint by SEC. All of a sudden XRP is not a security. Why? 7 days before the implementation, because it was on the 13th where Annalisa Torres filed that XRP is not, she ruled that XRP is not a security. I think it was on the 13th of July.
And on the 20th.
On the 20th, the FedNow was implemented. Don't you find that odd, guys? Don't you find that odd that something like that would happen? Doesn't ring any bells, doesn't make you think really what is really going on. Even if you are thinking yes, even if you are thinking, it doesn't make you think harder what is really going on. Are we being told the truth? Are we being lied to? Doesn't it make you ask yourself many questions of really what is really going on?
That's true.
So this is why we just said, let's just come in this platform and just address this elephant. And we are so happy that
it came to our attention.
Yes, that we managed to attract somebody that's still in the matrix. We don't want to mention names, guys. We're just gonna pop the comments that came on our previous video. These are the comments. Those are the comments, guys, that came on our previous video, and we were so happy. And I'm sure Saj 24 27 1, I think he was laughing his ass off. And as proud as we are, I'm sure he is proud as well that we managed to get someone
in the matrix
and brought him over to the real world. To the real world where we hold things like this
in our hands.
Not
in the internet.
Not in the banks, not in the vault, but
not in the internet. Like
it's not paper.
In the app.
It's not just numbers. So he came into our world where we hold things like this.
Guys, these are things that are very important.
They are very important. And we are so happy that someone like that came across our channel. We are so happy. And we mentioned this in the past that people
will start looking
once they get awake. They will start looking for videos like ours on the internet. And we said to the community, guys, please let's flood.
Because even
before we go there, I'm gonna show that coin at the back. It's a very beautiful coin. I will bring it to the camera.
It's our favorite.
Our favorite.
Because even if you didn't like get it clear on our video, there is another channel like
Yes.
this that will explain more.
Yes,
Because we
and
are
go
a
into detail.
community, like go into details. There's a many channels in our community that are doing video like this. So even if you didn't come to this channel, or you came to this channel and then it's click a little bit, there are many channels. So let's flood these videos, guys. They are helping people.
They are really helping people, guys. And thank you so much for this person that came across our channel and commented. It really made us so happy.
Inspired.
It really inspired us that
exactly.
at last we are doing something.
Exactly.
We are really waking up the people.
Exactly. Because even in our previous title on the video, previous videos, we said people are waking up.
We did say that.
Yeah.
People are really waking up. Now they are pushing the CBDC on the side because we exposed it. Like we are exposing now with these names that are coming, they are trying to come up with. Because of the economic forum, they said we'll own nothing and be happy.
Yeah.
And we exposed it. That the CBDCs are here to control.
Exactly. And
Now,
then we end up owning nothing and we'll be happy.
And now, because we have exposed the CBDCs, that they are here to make us own nothing and be happy, now they are coming up with different names. Guys, we are not afraid. We are really not afraid. Even if this person came across our channel, it might get taken down on anything. But if we have served the purpose, we don't care. We don't care.
Exactly.
The only thing that we care about is our people. That people need to wake up. People need to take a stand. That's what we care about. This person came across as like
An angel.
like he came across our channel like he is from our boss.
Exactly.
You know, he's from YouTube. He's from our boss. Like he came to take our channel down, but we were not terrified about that. We were just laughing it off. We laughed it off, and we just said, it's fine. If that happens, it happens. But our main purpose is to wake the people up. Because at first, when we started the channel, we just started like, we just want to prepare ourselves, accumulate, and then we tend to find that, no, man, people are not awake. People are not doing this thing. It's just that 2% or 3% or 4% of the people that are onto precious metal. Then we encountered, no, let's just wake more people up, make them aware why we're preparing, why we are doing what we are doing right now. That's the main purpose. And
it's been years we're doing this, and to imagine this in our workplace. No, it's like not 0.something% who knows about these precious metals. That's what make us like go too deep into these precious metals, go to details in the financial world, go to details and find out more why people are not
into this.
Why people are not into this. Because we've seen it in our community, we've seen it in our families, we've seen it in our neighborhood. People are not aware of precious metals as such. How much more in finance, or which finance it's like our daily thing. We deal with finance. Finance is like our precious metal. It's like, if you don't know anything about finance, you don't know how to live in the world. So it's these things, they include our financial.
Yes, that's the reason. That's the reason. When we came here, we are under this assumption that we are like fortunate. We came across something that's worth it. That's like looking out for our people. But tend to find that our people,
are not even
they are not awake. they still in the matrix. We just came when we came here. We just talked about coins. We just said
Unboxing.
reverse proof. This is my favorite coin. This is what's this of Two Nation, the pride of Two Nation, a very nice coin, a reverse proof. That's what we talked about when we came into this platform. 1 ounce, 2 ounce. You see this coin, it has maple leaves surrounding it. That's what we used to talk about up until we realized that people know. They are not awake. People don't know why they are accumulating precious metals and so forth. And we said no, we need to create this awareness. Our purpose was not to do that, but if our channel gets taken down, guys, just know that it's because of all of this the truth. What we're bringing across to the community. That's the reason why. But do you care?
No.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Even if they shut this channel down tomorrow.
But at least 629 by now. People know us.
We have woken this person up.
Yeah.
This person, we pull this person out of the matrix.
Yeah.
We will be happy about that. That we've made a change. We have managed to pull this person out of the matrix. Even if they do it tomorrow, we will be happy because we managed to do that. We managed to pull someone out of the matrix.
Yeah. And out of 629 subscribers we have made history.
We have. With just one person.
We have made history.
That truly, guys, it truly makes us extremely happy is understatement. Extremely happy.
Excited.
And I'm sure Saj 27 1 guys, if you don't know the channel, please go check it out. He's just like us. He's creating awareness.
Exactly.
He used to show coins as well, but he realized, I think, people are not awake, are still in the matrix.
Exactly.
Please go check the channel out. Saj 27 1. Yes, guys, I think we are all in the same mission. Waking people up, trying to get them up, make them see.
The lowest subscribers.
And we don't care. We really don't care. If we managed to get someone out and address the elephant
in the room, we're happy.
I am happy.
Yeah.
I am happy. Thousands, million subscribers, we don't care.
Yeah.
As Such always says, it just takes 2%, 3% to change a lot.
Yeah.
To change a lot, to make a difference, it takes 2, 1, 3% to make a difference. With just that,
it's a lot.
With just that comment, I think we have accomplished
our mission. Yeah.
And we are so happy. And hopefully there's many more like this subscriber, like this one.
Yeah, he's our subscriber.
That they are coming.
Guys. We have invited him.
I told him, press a bell notification and become part
of the family.
Of the future. Of the family.
That's how it goes, guys.
Yeah, guys. That's the animal we wanted to address on the room.
If you reach this point,
this far of the video,
subscribe until it's grayed out.
I'm gonna tell you as well, like this one. Like, subscribe, press the bell notification.
Exactly. Alright, guys. Thank you for
Let's grow the family and wake other people up, guys.
Yeah.
And if this channel gets closed, you will know why. And we don't care.
Yeah.
We don't care as long as people are awake.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.